So today, we are going to ride the new plane of Japan Airlines. Meron din dito na ma-experience nyo yung international Coca-Cola experience, parang ganun. We're flying from Dallas, Fort Worth to Tokyo, Haneda. And yes, bagong-bago ang aircraft, no? The Airbus A350 ng Japan Airlines. Galing kasi merong camera dito na makikita mo yung buong plane at meron ding camera na makikita mo yung wheels. Hi guys! This is Japoy again and welcome back to my channel. Tagal kong hindi nakapag-upload but special itong episode na to. Papakita ko sa inyo yung biyahe namin dahil pauwi kami ng Pilipinas. So today, we are going to ride the new plane of Japan Airlines A350-1000 from Dallas to Haneda. So, samahan nyo ako dahil papakita ko sa inyo ang mga new amenities ng Japan Airlines. Let's go! Dito tayo ngayon sa DFW Terminal D, ibang level din compared sa ibang terminals. Mas modern and mas chill yung vibes dito. Ganda ng lighting, parang bago eh. May art installations, ang daming international restaurants. Meron din dito na ma-experience nyo yung international Coca-Cola experience, parang ganun. So, while waiting for your flight, hindi ka mabubore. Plus, DFW for making it feels like a part of the travel experience. So, quick kwento lang about the flight. We're flying from Dallas, Fort Worth to Tokyo, Haneda. And yes, bagong-bago ang aircraft, no? The Airbus A350 ng Japan Airlines. Ito ang flagship long-haul plane nila and sobrang pinaganda nila yung economy class experience. The seat is around 33 inches, so medyo maluwag compared to other airlines. Meron din tayong 13-inch personal touchscreen, malinaw, responsive, at ang daming movies at shows. Ang seat design, ergonomic at hindi siya masakit sa likod kahit long-haul flight. May adjustable headrest din at meron pa tayong USB-A at USB-C charging ports. Plus, universal power outlet. Honestly, for economy, parang premium economy na rin ang feels. You can really tell the Japan Airlines invested in passenger comfort, even in the back of the plane. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's in-flight experience time. Pag-akyat pa lang ng plane, you can already feel na everything is clean, calm, and classy. Yung cabin lighting nila ang relaxing. Perfect for a long flight. Let's talk about the entertainment system. Sabi ko nga kanina, 13-inch personal screen, super clear and responsive. May variety ng movies, anime, or gusto mo Hollywood, or even travel documentaries. Literal na hindi ka mabobore. Kasi nga, ang tagal ng flight na to, 13 hours. Also, the safety video, grabe. Ang ganda ng visuals. Parang short film na siya. Very cultural, may Japanese aesthetics. Hindi siya dry or boring. Well, ma-appreciate mo talaga. So, ngayon, papunta na tayo sa runway. Yan, kung makikita ninyo. Galing kasi merong camera dito na makikita mo yung buong plane at meron ding camera na makikita mo yung wheels. At ito naman, syempre, aesthetic muna tayo. It's the view of my seat, no? Swerte na sa window seat ako. Makikita ko yung pag-take off. Grabe no, sabi ko nga sa inyo na share ko lang. 3 years ago, papunta kami dito sa US. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung madadatnan namin na bagong buhay. And then, ngayon, pabalik kami sa Pilipinas para mamasyal, magbakasyon. Makikita ninyo, 13 hours and 21 minutes left ang namin, biyahe bago makarating sa Haneda. Meron nga siyang 2 camera sa front at sa tail. Makikita mo talaga ang ganda ng experience dahil makikita mo yung top view and the sea of clouds. Now, it's eating time. So, meron sila dito, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, but please comment below kung anong tawag dyan sa mga yan. Pero kinain ko lang talaga sila. Sarap. It's nap time. Seven hours and 44 minutes left. And nandito pa rin tayo sa aeroplano mo naman. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Alapaa. Sea of clouds. Habang nakikita mo yung plane. Grabe yung immersive experience no map na JAL na yun. Na-compare ko lang dahil sa iba't ibang mga nasakyan ko planes from United Airlines, ANA Airlines, they're using Boeing 797 I think. Then itong Airbus 350-1000. Bagong technology na meron siya. Mas may experience, mas immersive yung experience dahil nakikita mo yung iba't ibang views at maiintindihan mo lalo kung nasaan ka na talagang parte ng mundo. Snack time, again, bigay sila ng milk pudding bread.
Please return to your seat as soon as possible and fasten your seatbelt tightly. Ensure that it is not twisted.
Ayun na nga, at malapit-lapit na tayo. 4 minutes left. Ayun na, bababa na tayo ng Tokyo International Airport, Haneda. Diba, para sa mga mahilig mag-travel na katulad ko, sobrang gandang experience na nakikita mo na ngayon. Yung mga nakikita rin ng piloto, diba, sa harap. It's a new experience, by the way. Welcome to Tokyo International Airport, Haneda. These are the major tourist spots of Japan na sinishowcase na Japan Airlines habang naghihintay kayong bumaba sa plane. Ang gandang experience. Ganda ng video.
Hi guys! So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Tokyo Haneda Terminal. Meron kaming 10 hours layover, so hindi namin alam kung paano ubusin yung 10 hours na yun. Pero nakita nyo naman yung bagong plane ng Japan Airlines, that's A350-1000 from Dallas to Haneda Airport. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang ganda ng legroom. Tapos nakita nyo, pinakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung screen. It's a 13-inch screen, no, na talagang kapag manonood ka, very immersive yung experience. Nakasakay kasi ako sa Japan Airlines before, and then hindi ko makakalimutan doon, meron kasi silang sarili lang nila na yakisoba na udon something. And then I tried to ask it again ngayon sa flight na to. Unfortunately, wala daw silang ganun. Nevertheless, sasakay ako ulit ng Japan Airlines because of their service, their friendly flight attendants. Siyempre, attentive din sila, no? I tried to call them multiple times and meron talagang lalapit sa iyo ng mas mabilis. Yun lang, siguro kung magpa-fly kayo, you can consider Japan Airlines. Murang-mura. They are having code share with American Airlines. So kung walang direct flight ang Japan Airlines sa inyo, katulad namin, nagkaroon pa kami ng connecting flight sa Dallas dahil dun nga yung panggagalingan ng Japan Airlines. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have TikTok, please follow me at TikTok at Official Japoy TV din, and on my Instagram at Official Japoy TV. Thank you so much, at marami pa tayong pupuntahan dahil sa bakasyon na to, marami kaming linatag para sa inyo. This is Japoy again.